Question 9. What is the work of creation? Answer. The work of creation is God's making all things of nothing, by the word of his power, in the space of 6 days, and all very good. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 and 31. Verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. Verse 31. And God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And the evening and the morning were the 6th day. Psalm 33, verse 6 and 9. Verse 6. By the word of the Lord were the heavens made, and all the host of them, by the breath of his mouth. Verse 9. For he spake, and it was done. He commanded, and it stood fast. Hebrews chapter 11, verse 3. Through faith we understand that the worlds were framed by the word of God, so that things which are seen were not made of things which do appear.